Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to take a look at Dogecoin. So overall our view is still the same. Since last time we had checked the coin, we had dipped like a humble 18%, let's call it. But what's interesting is our view is still the same, and why do we say it is, let's take a look back at those zones which are the similar to this current pattern here we are seeing. So some sort of fake out double bottom movement. So first touch, second touch, breakdown. Same here. First touch, second touch, breakdown. So on the second touch is breakdown. First touch, second touch, breakdown. Now each time we had the breakdown, so these are the breakdown zones. And let me quickly remove these ones here as well. So each time we had a breakdown, we had some sort of recovery. Here you can see the recovery, recovery, and recovery. So it doesn't matter where the recovery was, either below this line, near this line, or above this line. We see that after this recovery, we have a similar movement to lower zones and then another movement backing down and further movement to lower zones. So as we see right now, a similarities in the pattern and with current market state as well, we are still expecting to see at least some kind of further movement to lower zones. And again, on the bigger time frame, we still have some room to fall, which is like 35%, just to back down to the zone from where we might see some sort of bounce to the upper zones. So zooming in, we see that, let's go in on hourly time frame. We had a nice market structure break forming here. So breakdown, retest of this local zone of EMAs and also the market structure break zone. So let me highlight it as well. This is the market structure break zone, a breakdown, nice retest, further movements to lower zones, and since then we've been moving. And on smaller time frames, of course, if you want to go for some kind of scalpers or day trading, these are the zones that we would aim for. So let me take some different colors so it will like, okay, let's do it just like this. So this is first target, this is second target, and this is the third target. So liquidity zones of those. Now, because we see the dominance on the sell side, we still expect to see, or maybe to see, some sort of bullish momentum similar to like these small spikes here. But overall, we still want to see a further movement to lower zones. And basically, that's it. There's nothing much more to talk about on the 4 hour time frame. The EMAs have been dominating the market price, and on the daily time frame, we see that a pattern is forming. So as long as we continue and price stays below this line, so below this line actually, and would even narrow down the stop loss slightly tighter, this would be the ideal setup for us. So we just narrowed down. I have to adjust the position as well on the Binks exchange, but that's it basically. So risk and reward ratio is 1 to 3, 1 to 3.5, and we still have pretty much decent amount of room to fall. Sellers are dominating heavily, and now all we have to do is just wait and possibly see similar B candle movements like this or this. So that's it for the Dogecoin. I think I wrapped up everything, mostly at least. So yeah, now all we have to do is just wait slightly more, and once we see the price at least filling those zones, then we might be looking into a possible entries for a long position. But eventually, major target is still like 10 cents. So that's it for today on the Dogecoin. As always, thanks for watching this video and see you on the next one.